Make sure you guys stick to the end of this video for a 20% off coupon code to Supcase Unicorn Beetle cases. Hey guys, what's up? It's Reese's Tech Pieces here, and I am back for another video. So today I have an iPhone 10 UB style case from Supcase Unicorn Beetle. So I'm going to have 3 videos coming out because Supcase was able to send me out 3 of their cases, 2 of which were for the Note 5, and then one of them, which I didn't expect at all, was for the iPhone 10. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this, and make sure you stay to the end because there may or may not be, but definitely will be, a giveaway for this case. So let's go in and do the unboxing and do a quick review. Alrighty guys, so we are back with the UB style Supcase Unicorn Beetle case for the iPhone 10, iPhone X, whatever you want to call it. So Supcase was able to send a few cases out to me, and this was one of them. So I do not myself have an iPhone 10 because I don't have $1,000 just lying around for one of those. So I'm going to be mentioning it later. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with this case, so make sure you stay tuned until the very end if you want to be entered in for this case giveaway. So before we get into the case itself, I'm going to talk a little bit about kind of what Supcase offers. So with this case in specific, there is 9 kind of color options. So you can go on, and if you don't like this color, which I have, which is the black and clear version, there's a bunch of others that you can choose from that will match your iPhone or just your kind of style you like. So we're going to go ahead, look around the box. There's nothing really too important. You can see on the back it kind of lists some different things that this case offers. So it has a, let me see, so perfect gripping, scratch resistance, shock resistance, dual layer design, and accurate cutout. So we're going to put those claims to the test, and we're going to open this up. So we're pulling this out of the box real quick. So there's nothing else in there, so we'll toss that off to the side. And here is the iPhone 10 case. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. So first we are greeted with this nice little envelope right there, and it's just kind of, if you don't like the case, you can get in contact with them, or if you did like it. And yeah, so here is the UB style case for the iPhone 10. So my first impression, it does look very clean and very neat. So on the back, you can see there's this clear kind of plastic cutout. So you do get to keep the kind of looks of your iPhone 10, and you're not just covering up the nice back of the phone with a black case or whatever, whatever it be. So we're going to go ahead and take a look around. So starting on the side, you can see right there, it's a little hard to see. Let me get that zoomed in for you guys. Alright, you can kind of see it. So right there, there is the power button. So it's just a little softer than the rubber around it. So I know that that's going to kind of help with the responsiveness and clickiness of the button, which is a pretty important thing to me. I like having clicky buttons, so you know when you're turning the phone off and on. So they did kind of minimize the amount of rubber right there so that you're going to be able to kind of feel when you press the power button. Then we're going to go ahead and rotate it down. See on the bottom there are really nice and clean cutouts for the lightning port and the two speakers on the bottom. Then if we rotate it to the other side, there is the volume like mute switch on the side, a cutout for that, as well as the volume up and down buttons. And again, the rubber is kind of a bit thinner there, so you can feel, of course, when you are pressing those buttons, so you know that you turned the phone off, you turn the volume down, all that stuff, and you're not wondering whether or not you did it. So on the top, there's no other cutouts. On the back, there's, of course, the camera cutouts, or the cutouts for the dual cameras on the back. And with this case, the design that I received has a nice gray kind of outline or border around it. So the gray kind of helps to contrast with the black, and it looks really, really clean. So they did ship it with a little plastic tab. You can see right up there by the camera, there is some plastic kind of covering both the outside and the inside of this plastic just to keep it nice and shiny. So it's not going to get scratched up before you put it on your iPhone 10. So if you take a look around, you can see that there is a nice kind of, like, it has the nice thick black border around it. If you take a look inside, you can kind of see how that looks. There you go. So yeah, this is definitely going to help to protect against a lot of drops. I wouldn't plan on dropping it like 100 feet or anything like that and expecting it to live, but it should be fine against your average kind of any minor drops that you're having. And of course, on this back, it has the protective kind of plastic that's going to help protect your back, the back of your phone, from scratches and stuff like that. So one thing with this case, it does have a nice lip over the front that runs on the outside of the phone. So if you set your phone down, you're not going to have to worry about scratching your screen too much unless there's a big rock down there or something like that. Yeah, that's all I really have for this case. It definitely is going to help protect your iPhone. You shouldn't have to worry about it too much with minor drops. It definitely looks really good. It's not going to take away from the aesthetic of your iPhone. It would definitely work really well with the black iPhone 10. Yeah, so make sure you watch to the end for the possible giveaway. Thanks for watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm really glad that you were able to stick with me and watch that video. So I want to mention really quickly the giveaway for this case right here. So I do not have an iPhone 10. If you watch the video, you already know that. But I really don't have a use for this case, so I thought, why not do a giveaway? So I am going to have this giveaway run until the end of February, and I'm going to mention it in my next videos up until the end of the giveaway. So there are 2 requirements for this giveaway. You have to be first subscribed, and you have to leave a comment down below saying that you subscribed and you want to enter the giveaway. So that's about it. This case is a really nice case. It looks really good. And as I said, it comes in 9 different colors. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead, leave the link for my little coupon code right there. So you can go ahead, use that for 20% off on any cases. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. See you guys later.